Greg Alexander, and I put in this great solar system, which is 90 panels. And I met Jeff Shedd after seeing about, oh gosh, it must have been 5 or 6 different companies that I'd interviewed. Interestingly, I found out a couple of things. One is that depending on the company, they'll limit you on how much you can put up as far as solar power versus what you're going to get from the power company. They would only allow me to have 70% of my coverage, and then 30% would be on the electric company that we were affiliated with. But I finally got with Jeff. Jeff said that he could put up and cover my electrical costs and put a 96% capacity solar system in, and I said, let's go do it. So the first surprise was that they designed the system, and then they actually had cheaper panels, and as we were going through the process, he said, you don't owe me as much money. Gosh, how honest is that? So that was really great. And then as I started getting to know Jeff and the company, I found out that he had previously been an installer, and then he decided since he could do that, why couldn't he have a company? So Jeff went to Texas Tech and got a degree in structural engineering or mechanical engineering. And to see someone as young as that figure out what they needed to do and then go back to school was real impressive to me. I don't see credentials like that on the other people that I talk to, so that's why I picked them. We put up the system, and as you can see, in 2017, and it has been producing, and I haven't had an electrical bill since. I have credits every month, and I have 2 electric cars. I have a Tesla and I have a smart car, electric car. So guess what? I don't have a gasoline bill and I don't have an electrical bill. It does enhance the value of your property. The property taxes don't go up. You need to know that. That's important. And that they give you an exemption for that so that you don't have to pay tax on that. Now the service has been actually wonderful. I see them call me on the phone and say, well, you know, we have a couple panels that aren't putting out. How would I know that? You know, and they've been taking real good care of me as a result. Make sure you understand that it's important who you pick as far as your solar provider, and someone that comes up and follows through on the promises. That's probably the most important thing. So I'm pretty happy. That's why I'm telling you all this on this video.